Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to type on laptop. So there are some methods to type this key. First one, easy method to type this press shift key plus 2. Shift key plus 2 if you are using US keyboard. So press shift key plus 2 like this. And friends, if you are using UK keyboard, so you need to type this shift plus this key, and very easy you can see written on mostly UK keyboard style. And in case you are not able to type using your US or any another keyboard, so another easy way, open any web browser, then type @sign. So commonly you will see this sign anyway in this search option. So just you need to copy from anywhere and paste on your keyboard like this. So hopefully like this video, by this simple step you can know how to type @sign in laptop. Thanks for watching.